Here's 7 valuable tips for someone in their 20s wanting to learn how to make money online. Number 1, it's important to keep it real. You know, it's going to take sacrifice and commitment to build a real online business that's going to serve you a lifetime. So be prepared to make some sacrifices, turn off the TV, etc. Number 2, find yourself a mentor and coach and align yourself with a community of like-minded souls. This is so important. Don't try and walk the walk by yourself. You know, time is money. You'll go round and round in circles and you'll waste so much time by not having a mentor and coach. And it may even cause you to quit. So it's so important. Don't look upon it as being a cost. Look upon it as being an investment into your future. Number 3, you're not going to like this if you're in your 20s, but find yourself a job. You got to survive. You know, you got to keep the wolves from the door. The good thing about being in your 20s is you've got a ton of energy, so that's not going to be a problem for you. But, you know, cut your costs if that's what you're worrying about. Stop going out and drinking lattes and all that sort of nonsense. Remember here, you're making a sacrifice. You're making a commitment to self to build yourself a profitable business that'll serve you a lifetime. You know, see if you can't stay at home with mum and dad. You know, pay them back later when you're making 7 figures. But yes, it's important to have some money coming in whilst you're building your business. So go out there and find a job, even if you're working part-time. Number 4, eliminate distractions. Time is money. So the last thing you want to be doing is wasting time. Now, turn off the TV. When you're young and in your 20s, you know, you've got so much time on your hands, so much energy, and you'll also be easily distracted by your friends and naysayers and people that say that it can't be done. But stay focused, stay on track, and have a good time management plan. That's so important. Number 5, and this is something that really helped me, take imperfect action. You're really going to struggle if you're a perfectionist. So of course you're being coached now, you're receiving sort of advice and information and direction from him or her, but don't procrastinate, okay? Take imperfect action, one step at a time. Step outside of your comfort zone and just do what you're being told to do. Be coachable always. Number 6, don't be swayed or take advice from naysayers, from people that don't believe in you. And that could come from all directions. Even your mum and dad might not believe that you can do this, but you know you can believe it. So stay and hang out in the community, stay close to the fire, and stay away from naysayers and negative people. Number 7, push the start button. Stop procrastinating. You've got a coach now, let's say. Follow his or her direction and take imperfect action like I said in the last video. But most importantly, get started today. I hope you got some awesome value out of these 7 tips. If you did, please like, share and comment. And if possible, give us a follow. That would be awesome. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.